You're probably driving with hidden features in your car right now that could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars, and nobody ever told you they existed. Mechanics charge insane money for fixes that sometimes take less than 60 seconds. And the craziest part, one of these hacks can stop a repair before it even starts. So today, we're counting down 15 car hacks that sound fake until you try them yourself. Hack number 15, Vaseline for clean tire treatment. You spend an hour washing your car, the paint looks glossy, the windows sparkle, and then you look at the tires. Faded, dry, gray, suddenly the whole car looks old again. Most people grab expensive tire shine sprays that barely last a few days, but detailers know something most drivers don't. Petroleum jelly works shockingly well on dry tire sidewalls. After cleaning the tires, apply a very small amount of Vaseline using a microfiber towel and rub it evenly into the rubber. Then buff off the excess. The difference is immediate. The tire goes from dull gray to deep satin black, and it stays looking fresh much longer than cheap spray products. What's happening is simple. The petroleum oils soak into the rubber and help restore moisture while adding a protective layer against sun damage and cracking. And here's the funny part, a lot of expensive tire dressings use nearly the same petroleum base, different label, different smell, huge markup. Now this next hack sounds completely insane until you see it work. Hack number 14, raw potato for crystal clear windows. Cold mornings are the worst. You start the car and instantly the windshield fogs up so badly you can barely see through it. You wipe it with your hand, now it's smeared. You blast the defroster, now you're waiting 5 minutes just to drive safely. But there's an old school trick that works better than most store-bought anti-fog sprays. Cut a raw potato in half and rub the cut side across the inside of the windshield. Let the thin layer dry for about a minute, then wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth. Sounds ridiculous, right? But the starch inside the potato leaves behind an invisible anti-fog barrier that keeps condensation from sticking to the glass. And once you try it, you'll realize something frustrating. Those expensive anti-fog sprays use the exact same principle. They simply package it differently and charge you 20 times more. But wait until you hear this next one, because almost nobody knows their key fob can already save them from a locksmith bill. Hack number 13, the secret key hidden in your fob. Imagine leaving work late at night, walking to your car, pressing unlock, and nothing happens. Dead battery in the key fob, no lights, no response. Most people panic instantly because they think they're locked out. But hidden inside almost every modern key fob is a physical backup key. Flip the fob over and look for a small slider or release tab. Press it, and a real metal key slides out. Most cars also hide a physical keyhole behind a small plastic cover near the door handle. Manufacturers built this system specifically for emergencies, but most owners never discover it until they're stranded in a parking lot calling roadside assistance. And here's the crazy thing. Locksmiths make a fortune from situations that this tiny hidden key solves in seconds. Now this next trick can make annoying scratches almost disappear. Hack number 12, toothpaste for surface scratch removal. You walk up to your car and spot a shallow scratch catching sunlight across the glass or glossy trim. Not deep enough to replace anything, but just enough to drive you insane every time you see it. Most drivers assume they need a professional polishing service, but for light surface marks, ordinary white toothpaste can actually help. Not gel toothpaste, not charcoal, plain white paste. Apply a small amount onto a soft microfiber cloth and gently work it into the scratch using circular motions. Then wipe the area clean. The mild abrasives inside the toothpaste polish the surface just enough to reduce the appearance of tiny scratches and haze. No, it won't fix deep gouges, but for minor marks the improvement can be surprisingly dramatic. And once you realize how simple it is, those expensive scratch correction packages suddenly start looking very overpriced. Now let's talk about a button in your car that most drivers never touch, even though it can literally get you unstuck in snow. Hack number 11, traction control button for snow escape. You're stuck spinning your tires in snow, ice, or mud. The harder you press the gas, the less the car moves. Feels backwards, doesn't it? That's because your traction control system is cutting engine power every time it senses wheel spin. Normally, that's a good thing. It keeps the car stable on slippery roads. But when you're deeply stuck, sometimes you actually need wheel spin to break free. That little button with the car and squiggly lines, pressing it temporarily disables traction control and allows the wheels to spin harder for traction. Suddenly, the car can claw its way out instead of fighting itself. Most drivers never learn this, which is why tow trucks make easy money every winter. And speaking of expensive fixes, this next trick can make an old steering wheel feel almost new again. Hack number 10, Vaseline for cracked steering wheel repair. Over time, steering wheels dry out from heat, sunlight, and constant hand contact. They become rough, stiff, and covered in tiny cracks. Interior detail shops charge serious money for conditioning treatments, but the secret is surprisingly simple. Take a small amount of petroleum jelly and massage it into the wheel using a soft cloth. Let it absorb for a few minutes, then buff away any residue. The material immediately feels softer and looks darker and healthier. And if you do this regularly, you can slow down the deep cracking that eventually forces expensive repairs or steering wheel rewrapping. Now, before we get into the next one, hit that like button if even one of these hacks surprised you so far, because the next few are the kind mechanics almost never talk about. Hack number 9, Coca-Cola for dead battery terminal cleaning. You open the hood and see thick white corrosion growing around the battery terminals. Suddenly, the car struggles to start. Most people think the battery is dying. Sometimes the real problem is simply bad electrical contact. Pour a small amount of Coca-Cola over the corroded terminals and watch it fizz. The acids inside the soda help break down the corrosion buildup almost instantly. After a couple minutes, scrub gently with an old toothbrush, rinse carefully with water, and dry the area completely. The terminals often look dramatically cleaner afterward. It's basically the same chemistry behind many commercial cleaners, except one costs a couple dollars at a gas station. Now this next hack will save your sanity every time it rains. Hack number 8, steering wheel button for warning noise removal. Modern cars love screaming at drivers. Lane departure warnings, beeping alerts, steering wheel vibrations. Sometimes it feels like the car panics more than the driver does. What most owners don't realize is that many of these systems can be adjusted or temporarily disabled. Look for the button showing a car between two lane lines, usually on the steering wheel or in the settings menu. On many vehicles, holding that button changes the warning sensitivity or shuts the system off completely. These systems are useful on long highway drives, but in city traffic they can become unbelievably annoying. And the fix was sitting right in front of you the whole time. Now this next trick might save you from replacing perfectly good wiper blades. Hack number 7, WD-40 for chattering wiper blade fix. Your wipers start skipping across the windshield, smearing water instead of clearing it. Most people immediately buy new blades. But sometimes the rubber isn't worn out at all, it's contaminated. Road grime, wax residue, dirt, and oils build up on the blade edge and ruin smooth contact with the glass. Spray a little WD-40 onto a cloth and wipe the rubber blade carefully from end to end. Then wipe again with a dry cloth. The difference can be immediate: cleaner movement, less chatter, better visibility. And suddenly those bad wipers work perfectly again. Now this next hack makes your windshield look almost invisible. Hack number 6, credit card for baked-on glass removal. You wash your windshield, but stubborn spots still won't come off. Hard water stains, bug residue, mineral buildup. Glass cleaner alone just smears it around. Take an old plastic card and gently scrape the glass at an angle. The plastic edge lifts stubborn debris without scratching the windshield. Then follow with glass cleaner and a microfiber towel. The result looks unbelievably clear because you're finally removing the contamination instead of just wiping over it. Now let's talk about a button that can make your AC colder almost instantly. Hack number 5, recirculation button for maximum AC cooling. Most drivers don't realize their AC works way harder than necessary in hot weather. That recirculation button with the circular arrow inside the car, It stops pulling scorching air from outside and instead recools the air already inside the cabin. That means colder air faster, less strain on the AC system, and fewer outside fumes entering the car. In heavy traffic behind smoky trucks, this button is a lifesaver. And using it properly can even extend the life of your cabin air filter. Now this next one can stop one of the most annoying problems older cars develop. Hack number 4, silicone spray for seatbelt retractor fix. Your seatbelt stops retracting smoothly. It twists, drags, or hangs loosely beside the seat. Most people assume the retractor mechanism failed. Usually it's just friction and grime buildup. Pull the seatbelt fully out and lightly spray silicone lubricant along both sides of the belt. Let it dry briefly before retracting it slowly. The improvement is immediate: smooth movement, faster retraction, no sticking. And suddenly that expensive repair quote disappears. Now this next hack takes less than 30 seconds, but mechanics still charge for it. Hack number 3, sewing pin for misaligned nozzle correction. Your windshield washer fluid sprays over the roof or completely misses the glass. The nozzle probably isn't broken, it's just misaligned. Take a sewing pin or toothpick and gently adjust the tiny nozzle opening until the spray hits the correct area. That's literally all most shops do during washer system adjustments. And finally, the hack almost every driver needs but barely anyone uses. Hack number 2, steering column lever for driving comfort. Long drives shouldn't destroy your back and shoulders. Under the steering column is usually a hidden adjustment lever that changes wheel height and distance. Set the wheel so your arms stay slightly bent and your posture stays upright. The car instantly feels easier to control, more comfortable, and less exhausting to drive. And amazingly, millions of drivers never touch this adjustment even once. And finally, the number 1 hack on this list because it solves one of the most annoying sounds any car can make. Hack number 1, baby powder for door seal squeak removal. You open the door and the rubber seals squeak loudly enough for everyone nearby to hear it. Most people think the hinges are bad, usually it's just rubber friction. Sprinkle baby powder along the rubber door seals and work it in evenly with your fingers or a cloth. The squeaking disappears almost instantly because the powder acts like a dry lubricant between the rubber surfaces. It also helps prevent sticking during humid or cold weather. And the best part, that same bottle works on trunk seals, sunroof seals, and window channels too. One tiny product fixes squeaks across the entire car. So tell me in the comments, which one of these hacks shocked you the most? And what's a hidden car trick you swear by that most drivers do know? Drop it below because some of the best hacks actually come from real drivers. And if you want more money-saving car secrets mechanics never talk about, hit subscribe right now because the next video might save you from your next massive repair bill.